Hi guys, welcome to Femica's channel. I really hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a simple CTM routine using Aqua Restoration range from Rio Herbs. But before we get into today's video, I want you guys to take a moment and subscribe to Femica's channel so that you can stand a chance to win a free hamper from Femica. Now without further ado, let's get into the video. So let me explain to you in brief what is actually a CTM routine. So CTM stands for cleansing, toning and moisturizing, and this is a very simple everyday kind of a routine that you can follow to have healthy skin. Now let's move to the actual CTM routine that we are going to do with Aqua Restoration range from Rio Herbs. So the first product we have right here is the Rio Herbs Aqua Restoration Hydrating Cleansing Cream. This cleansing cream removes all dirt, dust, pollution particles and other impurities from skin, avoiding acne and breakouts. It effectively and gently removes your makeup. Natural and nature-based extract nourishes the skin, leaving it soft and supple. You just have to take a small amount of the cleanser on your fingertips or cotton pad and massage gently onto face and neck and then wipe it off. Now that our skin is cleansed, we can move on to the second step, which is toning, for which we are going to use this product right here, which is the Rio Herbs Aqua Restoration Hydrating Toning Mist. This is a natural toner which refreshes and nourishes the skin and is a complete solution for dehydrated skin with uneven skin tone. It controls excess oil, provides even skin tone and minimizes open pores and fights aging. We are already done with 2 steps of the routine. Now let's move on to the third step, which is moisturizing, for which I'm going to use the Rio Herbs Aqua Restoration Hydrating Moisturizing Cream. It is a lightweight natural formula that melts into the skin, leaving it hydrated. Natural oil extracts help improve skin tone and prevent skin aging. It also contains SPF 15. Natural extracts make this product the best for dry and very dry skin. Now we are basically done with the CTM routine, but you cannot skip sunscreen. Sunscreen is one of the most important steps in your skincare routine. So we have the Rio Herbs Sun Protection Spray with SPF 50 broad spectrum. Rio Herbs Sun Protection Spray is a lightweight, non-greasy, daily use SPF spray for face and body. It defends from prolonged skin damage from UVA and UVB rays, can also be used as a daily toner for face, as it has goodness of carrot seed oil, watermelon extract, which gives soft and fresh feel to the skin. So yeah guys, that is all for today's video. I really hope you guys found this video helpful and informative. If you did, do not forget to like this video, comment down below, share it with your friends, and definitely do not forget to subscribe to Femica's channel, and we will see you very soon with another video.
So guys, here's the end. Hope you liked the video. Visit Femica.com now. Check out all clean and safe products and dive into the world of clean beauty. Thanks for watching the video.